Growing up in Africa is an experience like no other. It shapes and develops you in a certain way. Imagine having a garden that never ends, full of colour, full of life, and untapped potential. As kids, we are naive and innocent, feeling like we could play forever in this peaceful garden. As you get older, you realise it's not quite as harmonious as you once thought. Growing up, we experience cultures new and old, forever taking in information, learning their ways, their crafts, and their trade. Witnessing firsthand the coexistence of humans and animals, although this is changing. The Kenyan population and economy is growing at an unprecedented rate, and with more people means less space for animals, therefore threatening wildlife's existence. We hear so much about protecting Africa's wildlife, which is great, but the way to do this is to invest in the people. Helping the people helps the animals. KOY is helping give the people the knowledge and the tools they need to take control and to grasp the true potential of their land, their resources, and their future. From the moment our first blazer was stitched, we made a promise. A promise that we intend to deliver on. Your support will mean a lot to us, but it would mean everything to them. So this is our mission. This is what drives us. And we can do it together.